press conference is called to brief the media and the public at large through you about the act which has been enacted by the Government of India and adopted by Government of Goa in 2007. The act is called the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007, and the rules were passed and published in 2009. Since the inception of this act, the state of Goa, through this directorate and various other agencies, has been implementing this act. But what has been observed is there is no much awareness to the extent desired and required about this act amongst the beneficiaries, that is, the parents and the senior citizens. Salient features of the act we have circulated the copy of the act also. I'll request you all to go through and help us in spreading awareness about this act as much as possible. Now, the act mandates that the parents and the senior citizens should be taken care of by their siblings. There is generally a misconception. People are thinking that only once they are senior citizen they are entitled to maintenance. It is not the fact. The fact is, even the parents are not senior citizens, they are entitled to be maintained by their earning children or the major children.
A person who is above the age of 60 years is issued an identity card. Identity cards can be obtained from the Directorate of Social Welfare. Beside this, we have one office at Margao in Matana Saltana Administrative Complex. One can submit the application for issue of identity card at Margao, and we give delivery at Margao. So secondly, we have a very popular scheme called Dayanand Social Security Scheme, under which government provides 2,000 rupees per month for economically weaker senior citizen. Then we have a scheme called Ummid, which is a daycare center. It is not an old age home. It is a daycare center wherein peer group of senior citizens can come together and share their good things and bad things at one place. We provide funds for running these Ummid centers, and we have right now around 45 Ummid centers spread all over Goa, and these